Hello everybody and welcome back. So today in this video we're going to learn about air. So first of all we're going to do revision about that air is all around us. We are also going to revise about the two types of winds, and other than that we're going to do revision for what air contains. And all these three videos I had already uploaded before. So if you want a detail about it, you can refer to the videos. And after doing revision, we are going to start with the new subtopic, properties of air. After studying about properties of air, in this video there's a twist. The activities are before and the bonus tip is later. So children, see to it that you watch the video till the end. Come on now, let's start. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Air is always present around us. Moving air is called as wind. Let us revise about wind carries lightweight seeds from one place to another, helping them to grow into new plants. Now let us have a look on two types of wind, breeze and storm. When the wind blows gently or softly, we call it breeze. But when the wind blows very strongly, we call it storm. We enjoy the breeze, we don't enjoy the storm. In India, storm is mostly followed with thunder and lightning. So mostly in rainy season we have storm. In other countries, if it is a desert covered area, there is a sandstorm. So storm is dangerous, breeze is not dangerous. Breeze is enjoyable. What does air contains? Air contains water vapor, dust, smoke and germs. Now, how does water vapor get mixed with the air? Now, whenever your mama washes the clothes, she puts them on the rope line and the clothes are wet when she's putting them on the rope line. After some time when we go and touch the clothes, it's been dried up. So, who's doing that? It is the air who is doing. But when she's putting the clothes on the rope line, due to the heat of the sun, the water is being taken away from the cloth and it's get converted into water vapor. So water vapor becomes lighter in weight. So when it becomes lighter in weight, air takes it. So in this way, water vapor get mixes with the air. And it happens in the puddles also. So from the wet clothes and from the puddles, the water vapor mixes with the air. How does dust mixes with the air? Now whenever there is a construction or repairing work going on in a surrounding, so all the dust particle mixes with the air. As dust is also light in weight, so air takes it with them. How does smoke mixes with the air? Smoke from the factories and vehicles get mixed with the air because smoke is also light in weight, so air takes it away. How does germs mixes with the air? When a person is having cold and cough, and such a person when they are sneezing, without covering their mouth, all the germs are coming out from their mouth. And those germs are light in weight, so it is getting mixed with the air and it's being moved around in the surrounding with the help of the air. So in this way, the germs mixes with the air. That is the reason we say cover your mouth whenever you cough or you sneeze. Now let's learn about properties of air. But before learning about properties of air, I would like to tell you, if you want to revise about air is all around us, if you want to do revision about what air contains, so you can see them in the videos. I had uploaded videos for them. Okay? Now let's study about properties of air. The first property says air occupies space and gives shapes to things. So now see, there's this activity time before the bonus time in this video. This is the twist. So to understand this property, we have to take few things. We have to take a deflated balloon which we have not blown. Okay, and now we are going to blow this balloon. So what happened when we blow the balloon? Air is occupying space inside the balloon and the balloon is getting bigger in size. It's coming into a proper shape. So if it's a heart shaped balloon, it is going to be heart shape. If it's just an oval shape, so it's going to take oval shape. Okay, so children, this proves that air occupies space and it gives shapes to the things. Okay, after doing this activity, we understood about the first property of air, that air occupies space and air gives shapes to things. Let us learn the second property now. The second property says air has weight. How we have weight? You know, at times we go on the weighing scale and we weigh ourselves. Oh, then you say that, oh, I am 25 kgs, I am 30 kgs. Okay, 6 months back I was 22 kgs. Okay, so like that we are weighing ourselves. I have become fat, I have become thin. You come to know when you weigh yourself on the weighing scale. In the same way, air has weight. Now, how is this possible? See, this is possible. We will do one more activity. Take a hanger and take 2 balloons. Along with that, take a thread and a needle. Now, we have to blow the balloons. Take 2 balloons, okay? Blow both of them. And after blowing, you tie both the balloon with the help of the thread on the hanger. Take a needle and prick any one balloon. So when you prick the balloon, what will happen? The hanger will tilt towards the balloon. Hanger will come in slanting position where the balloon is not being pricked, towards the blown up balloon. And where the balloon is being pricked, okay, on that end, there is no weight because air has gone away from that balloon. No, and air is still there in this blown up balloon. So the hanger will tilt. This proves that air has weight. That is why the hanger got tilted, no? So children, please remember this, that air has weight. Now after doing both the activities, we are going to see the bonus tip. So the bonus tip says, out of all the planets in our solar system, we have so many planets in the solar system, no, such as Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and so many. So out of all these planets, only Earth has oxygen gas in the air. Other planets, they don't have oxygen present in their air. Okay, so please remember this. I hope children you have understood about properties of air and you have understood about the experiments that we did. Thank you so much.